Brian. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick recap. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for not doing the recap today. I had to run to the doctor. I had a bad day. I had a really lost day. So it started amazing, and then I started messing around with it, and I just gave all the profit back, especially on NVDA and Twitter. Let's go quickly. What happened? NVDA, the market was really strong at the open. Yeah, so the market was really strong at the open, and I did a really nice 1 minute open range breakout. It was just absolutely beautiful trade, and I was up like a couple of $1,000s, and I should have really stopped trading it. That was it. That was a trade that I should have stopped. And then it came on the pullback. I started adding a couple of times with the hope that we are getting up there, but we really never got that. And we lost the VWAP, and it just kept going down. And I really shouldn't have added, and just kept adding and adding and adding and adding. I'd never really had any power. It was the market too, and I added one more time, and eventually I got stopped out on it. Then that was just bad. And then I tried to trade again, and then I got stopped out. I tried to catch another reversal to VWAP, and I got stopped out. And eventually, as you see, it went down to hell. Went up all the way to 201 because the Federal Reserve, Jay Powell came and said, we might even increase 50 points, and then everything is just dropped on that. So that was a really good trade that turned out to be a really bad loss. AMD, what was the AMD doing? AMD was a couple of scalp that I, same move essentially, a couple of scalp that I did. So I did one here, and then I did one here. And after that I didn't touch it, but again AMD, like all the market dropped. Tesla I lost a little bit money on that. So Tesla had the earning last night, really good earning, popped up. I did a bounce back from the VWAP. Brian just jumped in here, long here, and sold here, but I tried to catch this 1 minute open range break up, and then it dropped, came back up. The perfect entry would have been around here. It didn't. I just chased it, popped up, didn't sell, added, and then added on the pullback, and eventually I got out of it. But this win wasn't really enough to cover this loss, and I'm down $900 on that. And another big loss that I had was Twitter. Twitter was very this morning. It really bothered me. In the morning, really popped up with heavy volume. I think Thor got it, or Megan or Susan, somebody mentioned that. I went long, didn't get a follow through on that, and again I did it again, another one, and I got stopped out. So you should, heavy volume came in, the order flow came in, I went long, but the volume didn't came in, got stopped out, and again came back, and I got stopped out. And that would turn out to be a really bad loss. So I just closed my day. Everything else sounds horrible right now. The market is just collapsed in the afternoon. If I can go and bring the trading terminal, the market is really collapsed. Let me bring that trading terminal right now. So let me bring the trading terminal. So as you see, everything was open, and then after that, as soon as the Jeremy Powell, they said 50 point interest rate hike, everything is just collapsed really bad, and even Bitcoin collapsed. So all the sectors are extremely negative, really a massacre for the whole market. And as you see, for 1 year, IWM is down 11%, Qs are red, SPY and Dow are just holding up. So year performance, year to date performance. Q's down 17%, IWM 12%, SPY and Dow. Dow and SPY are kind of getting more toward the value stocks. And today it was also a huge massacre that happened. Q's and everything are trying to catch up, but they couldn't. And it's just the whole correlated. This is all equities. Like somehow they're all correlated. They're going up. The bonds, potentially should have gone up, like TLT, but the bonds also sold off. Not this one, TLT. Yeah, the bonds are also sold off today. Really, bonds are also really sold off. But it's a weird market, very uncertain, and this drop was very significant. Like SOXL, the semiconductors are really selling off again. Actually, it's a lower than even the Russia attack. But yeah, crazy market. Sorry, I just didn't post it online. I asked Santiago to quickly post that. A very bad day, negative, and I'll see how it goes. Tomorrow is another day. I just wanted to post this one so you guys see that it's not because I just it's not that because I didn't had the loss. I had to run to doctor. And we're gonna record the after hours with traders. Brian's coming. It's his birthday, and yeah, if you're in touch with him, send him a note, brian@verbal-traders.com, or his Twitter, Brian_Pezzim. Cheers, guys. Sorry, keep it green.